Alright, thanks for coming to the channel. I'm in front of my 2022 Ford Mustang Mach-E, and the reason why is because I got a new key fob. And you can see here, this is the new one on the left. Can you see the difference here? Well, I'll let you know if you didn't see the difference. See right here? That is a frunk release. The right one doesn't have a frunk release, and it doesn't have 5 buttons. See, you can see they added this extra thing. Picked up from eBay. I'll put a link where to get it. This is actually from a Lightning, but this vendor changed it so you had this hatch area here, and also instead of saying Ford, they added the little Mustang logo here. So kind of cool. I'm going to program it. Supposedly it's supposed to be pretty easy. These cars are supposed to be able to have 3 fobs. Right now I have 2 fobs, so this is the 3rd fob. I have another one in my pocket, so you have to use all 3 fobs to program this to make the 3rd fob work. So that's what we're going to do now. Alright, so I have my 3 key fobs. These are my original ones. This is the one I need programming. That just fell. And so basically what I need to do is I need to put the key fob, see this little slot? It's going to go in that slot, button facing rearward. So the steps say close everything, have everything off, turn it on, count to 5, turn it off, switch it, turn it on, count to 5, switch it off. It's going to kick in a second programming, and then this one, just turn it on, and then it's supposed to be set. So let's see if I can do it right. Again, stick it in here already so it makes it easier. On. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, switch it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Factory keypad code. Okay. Off. Last one. Turn it on. No counting. Key program successful. Nice. Full accessory power. Nice. So that should do it. So the test is, does my frunk work? So let's do that. Alright, I'm outside. Frunk button. 1, 2. Oops. There it goes. And that's how it kind of gets all weird. Alright, frunk, yeah. So I'll put the link right here where to get it from eBay. If you want this one or this one without this cover and this key part that you can replace yourself from your old one. Thanks for watching.
And now my love for you is so strong, girl.